adhesion. Put together for 1 month to start opening up blocked fallopian tubes. Product description: Blocked Fallopian Tubes Mini Kit is 1 month natural treatment plan put together to kickstart the process of unblocking fallopian tubes naturally. Product benefits: Blocked Fallopian Tubes Mini Kit helps to detoxify the body systems to support optimum body functions. It breaks down adhesion and scar tissue from the fallopian tubes. It increases blood circulation to the fallopian tubes. It relieves inflammation in the fallopian tubes. It helps in killing bacteria and infections in the fallopian tubes and pelvic organs. It activates and increases the healing of the reproductive organs. It eliminates toxins from the womb, ovaries, and fallopian tubes. It balances the hormones and boosts fertility naturally. It is put together to begin the process of opening up the fallopian tubes. You can order Blocked Fallopian Tubes Mini Kit now to begin the process of opening up